Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, architect of empire and law. Name: Suleiman I, known as Suleiman the Magnificent in the West and Kanuni Sultan Suleiman in the Ottoman Empire. Born November 6, 1494, Trabzon, Ottoman Empire, present-day Turkey. Died September 6, 1566, Szigethvár, Hungary. Extensive training in military strategy, law, diplomacy, theology, and languages. Commander-in-Chief of the Ottoman Army, 1520–1566, led successful campaigns against Belgrade, 1521, Rhodes, 1522–1523, Hungary, 1526, parts of the Middle East, securing control against the Safavids. Notable challenge, the Siege of Vienna, 1529, though unsuccessful, marked a shift in Ottoman expansion. Oversaw the modernization and strengthening of the Ottoman military, including the Janissaries. Promulgated the Kanun name, Code of Laws, standardized the legal system across the empire, promoting justice and stability. Implemented reforms in taxation, infrastructure development, and social welfare programs. Commissioned the construction of numerous iconic structures, including the Süleymaniye Mosque, Istanbul, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Fostered a flourishing period in art, literature, and cultural achievements. Established strategic alliances with various European powers. Maintained a complex political landscape, including ongoing rivalry with the Safavid dynasty of Persia. Defender of Sunni Islam, leading conflicts against the Shia Safavids. Married Hurrem Sultan, Roxolana, who wielded significant influence during his reign. Faced complex family dynamics, including the controversial execution of his son, Zayd Mustafa. The Ottoman navy secured dominance in the Mediterranean Sea, controlling crucial trade routes and contributing to vast economic prosperity. Remembered as a powerful ruler who significantly expanded the Ottoman Empire. Established a robust legal system and ushered in a golden age of art, architecture, and cultural achievements. Considered one of the most prominent figures in Ottoman history.